Hi friends, and welcome back to Vibler Creative. Today I want to show you how to stay creative without getting stuck in the editing process. Because honestly, tech should work for you, not against you. If you film smart and edit smart, everything becomes fun again. If you film something quick, 2 or 3 clips, you can edit them together easily, some effects to make them pop, and export. And you're done. Let's see a real project that we filmed in Switzerland. A daily vlog, let's say, but we're gonna make a short video out of it. We use this on Mac. I already selected here some clips and I'm gonna drag them here. Together with my husband Sergio, went to Switzerland on a short trip. We took out the phone and the DJI Pocket 3 and we filmed this, we filmed that. Keep your shots short. Push the record button when you are sure of the shot you have. And honestly, don't overfilm it. You're gonna regret it in post. If you shoot with a purpose, your timeline is already 50% edited. You're welcome. Let's go back in Final Cut and see what we can do with this. We're gonna select them, fill the screen with them. We're gonna use the first steps. 1, 2, 3. These shots with the plane are gonna go great with some transition I'm gonna show you in a minute. A bunch of planes I'm thinking here to show the traveling part. This is an open farm. You can just go with your car, park there, and you see the prices, you pay. Everything needs to make sense in your head from the beginning, from the moment you film. One main storyline, connected clips organized, color first, cut to seconds, graphic lasts. And while we are at the graphics part, I have here the AEJuice pack open. Let me show you what this does. Yes, AEJuice has a lot of cool free stuff and I bet you want to download them. But if you want the full pack manager, check the link in the description and thank you AEJuice. But let me tell you why you need just a little something to spice up the video. Yes, you can put transitions, you can add sounds. Yes, they have a lot of transitions. Something like a light leak that goes with the scenery. I double click or import and now I choose the project I'm in. Perfect. And we're gonna use the blend mode. Add subtle, but goes well. This works for Final Cut. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna figure it out if you download. For Premiere, let's put it over the trees and the apple picking. Oh, we added sunshine. Yes, you can put all the elements on top of the video if you want to emphasize. And you can see down here all the progress. Let's see if we can just drag and drop. Definitely we can do that. This video, we're gonna put it underneath as a voiceover. Let's add some music. We have the music from Epidemic Sound. And where my voiceover is, I'm gonna select this portion, take the volume down. Strawberries, lovely. And let's add one more transition. Yes, let's do this one. Let's see if we speed this up. Let's see if we can change the color. Lovely. See, it's already fun. Film on purpose. Cut short, have everything ready, then hit record. The key of this video is efficiency. The tools you have should help you tell the story faster. As you can see, I just edited this very short. To tell a point, a clean zoom, short transition, a short light transition over the video. Add something valuable to the video. You can download AEJuice and see the free packs, see the pack for your software. And if you don't have any idea on what to put on your video, maybe you can find something there and the ideas will spark to you. So film, edit fast, export and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas like this.